children, let's see the use of and for words. How we can join two words by using and. If you see what is written here, cat, and here mat. Here eating and here drinking is written. Now join the first, cat, mat. So you will say cat and mat. Very good. Now this is one sentence, cat and mat. Now the second one, eating, drinking. How you will join? You will write and in between eating, drinking, and you will say eating and drinking. So by writing and in between the two words, you can join two words. Okay? दो शब्दों को जोड़ने के लिए हम and का यूज करते हैं, और and कहाँ यूज होता है? In between of two words. I hope it is clear how to use and for words. Thank you.